Hello students, a very good day to all of you. I hope all of you are safe and be healthy. So today we will start our new chapter, that is classification of element and the periodicity in properties. In this chapter we learn about the history or the introduction of periodic table, also the classification of elements, how to classify the elements in a periodic table, and also some properties of periodic table. So first of all we will start our chapter from the introduction part. So here today I will says about the history of the periodic table. First, the scientist Dobenius tried to explain the periodic table when there is maximum 20 to 25 elements are discovered. He he arranged the elements in a group of 3. एक ग्रुप में 3 एलिमेंट्स को प्लेस करके एक ऐसे टेबल बनाए जिसमें वो तीनों एलिमेंट्स का प्रॉपर्टीज सेम था. एंड he was also says that the average atomic mass of first and third element was must be equals to the middle element, that is you can here it is an examples, that is lithium, sodium and potassium. Lithium has atomic mass 7 and potassium has atomic mass 39. If you calculate the average atomic mass for sodium, that is the middle element, then it is 23, and that also equals to the actual atomic mass of sodium 23. That means this concept is somehow correct because these 3 elements have similar properties, and also the average atomic mass of first and third is equals to the middle one. But when you go on the second paragraph or the second step, where he placed the chlorine, bromine, iodine in one group because of their similar properties. But when you calculate the average atomic mass of first and third, that is the chlorine and iodine, the average atomic mass for bromine, the middle atom, is 81.25, but the actual atomic mass for bromine is 80. Means there is some limitations, or you can say there is some drawbacks comes from the Dobenius triad concept. So it is concluded that Dobenius triad is somehow useful and helpful in grouping of some elements which has a similar characteristic or similar properties, but he could not explain all the elements known at that time into triads. ट्रायड के हिसाब से वो एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाए और वो अरेंज नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि उनका एवरेज एटॉमिक मास फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड का कुछ अलग ही आ रहा है फॉर द मिडिल एलिमेंट्स. So next the scientist Newland explained the theory of periodic tables according to the octaves rule, where the law says that when we starting the elements will be arranged in a octaves rule or in a group of 8 elements, then the elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses. उनके इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मासेस के हिसाब से हम उन लोगों को अरेंज करेंगे, बट अकॉर्डिंग बट विच हैज़ द सिमिलर प्रॉपर्टीज ऑल्सो. बट वो जितना भी एलिमेंट्स हम उन 8 एलिमेंट्स जितना भी हम उसमें प्रेजेंट रखेंगे वो ग्रुप में, वो सारे 8 एलिमेंट्स का प्रॉपर्टीज सिमिलर होना चाहिए. किसके साथ? फर्स्ट एलिमेंट के साथ. फॉर एग्जांपल्स हियर it is hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluor. Then the oxygen must be similar properties with the hydrogen, or you can say the nitrogen has the similar properties of hydrogen, must be the similar properties. But somehow it is correct till the atomic number or the element calcium, but after that the elements are chromium, titanium, manganese. They are not the similar properties with the first element. So this concept was wrong because it cannot exist. Next one is here also has some limitations of Newland's law of octaves, because when you try to explain this periodic elements of different elements in a group of octaves, some novel gases are were discovered at that time, but he cannot arrange the noble gases on the periodic tables also. Next one is the Mendeleev's periodic table, where Mendeleev's try to explain or try to arrange maximum number of elements in the similar properties of physical and chemical properties of the elements, and the and he placed the elements according to their increasing atomic masses. First of all, he arranged the elements known at that time in order to increasing atomic mass, and this arrangement was called periodic table. और वो सारे अरेंजमेंट को हम periodic table आज भी बोलते हैं. But the elements with similar characteristic were present in vertical row called the groups, and which are present on the horizontal rows are called periods. So he explained the periodic table. The elements are arranged in vertical row, that is called group, and the horizontal row, that is called periods. Here he was explained that there are 9 groups indicated by Roman numerical is 1, 2, 3, 4, but also there is 0 also presents, and the 0 group also contains some elements, mainly that belongs to the inert gases, or you can say the noble gases, and they have the 0 valency. मेंडलीव्स बहुत ही ट्राई किए थे कि वो जितना भी एलिमेंट्स उस टाइम में डिस्कवर हो चुका था वो सारे को एक प्लेस में और सिमेट्रिकल वे में उसको प्लेस करना चाहिए फॉर ए पर्टिकुलर ग्रुप, एंड ही ऑल्सो ट्राई टू explain the discovery of the elements which are come on the later stage. So that's why he gave there are some gaps or the empty spaces also present for the later stage elements, and because every coin has two sides, in this way here it is also some defects, or you can say the limitations of periodic table. The first limitation is the hydrogen atom, which has been placed in group 1, because as you know the group 1 elements are belongs to alkali metals because it contains lithium, sodium, potassium, but the hydrogen has not completely the alkali metals or alkali earth metal, but it is placed on the group 1, top of the group 1. So here it is first limitations, because he cannot explain the position of hydrogen in the periodic table. And the second one is he also uh, cannot explain some elements which has similar properties, but they are placed in different group also. Then according to the Mendeleev's law, Mendeleev law के हिसाब से वो जितना भी elements उस time में discover हुआ था, they have been arranged in order to their increasing atomic masses, but there are in some cases where the elements with higher atomic mass are present on the lower atomic mass also. That also one limitation and the defects of Mendeleev's periodic table. And the and as you know that some elements has isotope, and as you know the isotope has different atomic mass but the same atomic number. So मेंडलीव्स क्या किए, जितना भी मतलब एक एलिमेंट्स का अगर आइसोटोप्स 3 ठो आ रहा है तो उसी के हिसाब से वो क्या किए, 3 ठो एलिमेंट्स को ही प्लेस कर लिए अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मास, which is not the correct, or you can say the limitation, because one element has been placed on different place and different positions according to their according to their increasing atomic masses. And the last limitation is there is no proper explanations has been offered, because why the elements are placed in group in their properties. So in this way the Mendeleev's periodic tables will be goes on with time, and today we'll saw our the new periodic table, that is the modern periodic table. And as I am giving you the homework, that is you have to draw the modern periodic table in your copy. and give me a photocopy of your drawing of predictables. Thank you.